viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can order one of these goodies and also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like it, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. It is a weekend. Can't believe how fast this year is going by. We got Christmas coming up soon, so I mean, you might want to start thinking early. Even I think we're in the recession now, so they got good deals going on with this company. And they want to show you what they have to offer. Ooh, this is going to be cool. This is coming from DEKALA. DEKALA. Ooh. Alright. We'll definitely test this out. I gotta wait till it gets a little bit darker so I can see the whole effect. Get this out of the way. There we go. There we go. Here we go. This is a DEKALA Aurora Box Lighthouse HDMI TV Sync Kits. PS4 or PS5, Xbox Series S, X. You can TV Sync, HDMI 2.0, ARGB, Screen Sync, Music Sync, Voice Control, support CEC, Color Accurate, App Control, HDMI 2.0, delay free. So this is going to be a nice, during like sporting events, movie nights, gaming nights, especially if you're on Twitch streaming or on TikTok. This will be another good one to get. Here's a sync box, size and all that good stuff. Colors black, material, Wi-Fi 2.4, HDMI 2.0, all that good stuff. Resolution 4K, 2K, 60 Hz, HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision, HDMI 2.0, light bars, USB Type-C, RGBIC, or RGBIC. Definitely excited. I kind of have similar, but not like this. This is definitely a lot nicer. Alright guys, here we go. So like I said, keep this in mind, maybe for your gaming friend or your social media friend, or your gift to yourself. Here we go. Oh, we got some stuff on top. There we go. Oops. Alright, get it together. We got the manual. It's pretty thick. Might have to look at that later. These are the suction cups. You stick it on something. I'll see in a few. Actually, it'll just be a lot easier. Lift the board up. Here's the goodies. We got HDMI. We got some kind of... Oh, this must be the box. That's pretty cool. It's slim. HDMI goes there. USB. Power cord. Power button. Slip guards. Fan. Hopefully this lights up. Something. Super lightweight, so... But this would be great anywhere. Excuse me. Had a long day. Here's a power source. Put that right there. Oh wow. How many do you get? So there's 2. So you get 4 of these. Alright. I have no idea. I think I'm going to put it on my TV. gotta take the other ones off. Okay, let me close the box. Get this back situated. Definitely excited now. Okay, got these up here. Push these up here. So you get 4. But it's 2. Alright. We'll figure this thing out. First time doing one of these styles, so this is something new. Oh. Here's USB. That's where the suction cup goes. Oh, that's where it's gonna go. See, like that. All right, now I'm gonna take it off because I gotta see where I'm gonna put it. But I think it's gonna go on my TV. So you can put two behind the TV. That sounds like a good idea. All right, here's the second one. So I'm gonna go in my room in a second, set this up, and then we'll be back live in a minute. This is what they look like out of the box into your home. Everything's nice and shipped, well protected, no cracks. USB goes there, connecting, and then again in the back, and the USB right there. Okay, so let me go clean up my room. Plus I gotta make my bed. I just woke up, so got a long night ahead, long weekend ahead. We'll make it through this though. So this is what you get. Next time you'll see this, it'll be fully activated. Once I get it set up, I will go over the app and all that good stuff. So don't worry about that. I'll show you guys how to sync it up the right way. Hopefully I get it right. But it should be simple and easy peasy setup, just like the others ones they had. They have like light strips also, so definitely check them out. We'll be right back. Grab some popcorn or pizza or tacos. It's all good. Be right back. Alrighty guys, we got it all hooked up. We got the sync box right there. If you guys can see it. There we go. I got it tucked in and already plugged into my TV. And then yeah, it's really simple to get it going. Really cool. There's an app you download. It's gonna be the DEKALA app. Get a lot of features. Like I said, you can sing it up to music. Boom, 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 boom. La, 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 la. And once, gaming session goes on, stuff like that, watching movies, have different. But I'm trying to figure out right now where I'm going to set it up. If I'm going to do 2 on the side and 2 on a TV. Because I got these choices. Because you can have them standing like this way and have it facing the back of the wall. So that's where I'm at right now, trying to decide on where I'm going to put these. But these are really cool though. Definitely a nice piece to have to your TV or your gaming area, home theater. But definitely nice ones to get. Like I said, the app is really easy to install. Setup is simple. Everything works perfect. You can change the color. Yellow. See, it will still be whatever color you switch it to. You can change the speed of it. Make it a little faster. Like that. You can do the breathe mode. But these are great for definitely live streaming. See, it changes it. It should go 2, 4. Color. You have it any other color you want. There you go. Purple. Bright. Do spectrum. Nighttime. Kind of like a candle. That's pretty cool. The rainbow. Not bad, not bad. Holiday. Not sure which one that be, but alright. Pretty cool. So we got all those down. You could do wake up, sleep aid, 30 minutes. You got auto tune, auto turn, positioning. See, there's different modes to have it. So top, 2, 2, left. I'm not gonna do, or I can have them all like that. So that's really cool. So it depends on how you have it set up. And like I said, if I wanted top, right, bottom, left, that's what I'm gonna do. Because like I said, you can have different, either mounted on a TV or mounted on a glass or whatever you have. But I think I'm gonna keep it this position. Time setting, 24-hour network sync. So we covered pretty much everything. Let me set this up and we'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. Really cool. Got it all set up. Got the box right there. You can definitely tell. And it's still pretty bright out. It's like 8:30 at night, so got the app. You can change the holiday. Spectrum. Holiday. Chase. And music. This will go good with watching movies and stuff like that. I'll show you how I have it set up. Back here. You guys can see good enough, but I was gonna tie the wires together a little bit better, and that's about it. But you got 2 there, and then 2 on the side. I mean, it's still pretty bright, like I said, even for this time at night. But really cool. Definitely check them out, guys, and see what other goodies they have. But definitely grab a couple of these for your home or a gift. Take it easy, YouTube. Be safe. Have a good weekend.